Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm holding up my Turkish dish towel. And I love the pattern, but I'm going to show you a little bit more about these and explain why I like them. Here is an up close of some of the details. There's no fraying involved. Even with washing, they have come out great. These are a thinner towel, but they're pretty absorbent. They come in plenty of colors. So what I really like is to switch up my color all the time because I love the colors of the rainbow and I just want to be able to decorate with them. And this is a perfect little way of adding a pop of color. So these towels, although thin, are pretty absorbent. I definitely can use this whole towel for my night's meals, and I have no problem with it drying off my dishes. I really like these and all the beautiful colors that they come in. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.